All right, good evening, everybody. I'm Bart Ney, Office Chief of Public Affairs for Caltrans. It's always a treat to be on top of the Alfred Zampa Memorial Bridge. In about 30 minutes, we're going to be closing this bridge to do a major deck rehabilitation. But what I wanted to talk to you about tonight is something that happened a few weeks prior to the work that we're doing. This bridge is named after Al Zampa, an iron worker and a legend in the Bay Area who worked on the Golden Gate Bridge and all of the bridges. At either one of the vista points, in Crockett and Vallejo, there's a brass plaque that actually told his story, which is quite a thing. They even made a play about it, The Ace. Check it out. A few weeks before we got to do this work, both of the brass plaques were stolen. The one in Crockett was gone, and the one in Vallejo is gone. Caltrans worked with the Zampa family to come up with a temporary fix. And so tomorrow at 10:30, when we do our update on how the construction's going on this bridge, we are also going to be unveiling a temporary plaque to honor Al Zampa at both locations so that we have his story preserved. And then over the next period of time, these signs could last a year, 2 years. We're going to continue to work with the Zampa family to put the right type of plaque in place at both vista points.